Yeah, at last, you guys were saying something about in the last part of it.
article. We're
Yeah,
talking
yeah,
about characters.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So
yeah. Like, yeah, yeah, yeah.
there are many things that you can use many divides to convey the same story.
Yeah.
But I think this one was done really well because it has a really because none of us come from Islamic background. I know a little about Islamic stories, and also I could connect. It has a lot of symbolism from Islam.
Okay. Yeah,
Kuruti.
yeah. You said something. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. But definitely it has, because it has that the sacrifice thing and the Ibrahim thing. It it all. Um, if I am not wrong, it will be like Ibrahim will have in Islam, some Islamic story. Ibrahim could have a brother named Rasul.
Oh,
It
yeah.
is a possibility.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah, likewise, like this film also have this Roshaman effect, the Roshaman effect, the Roshaman
the
effect.
Rashomon, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, like everybody having their point of views. Okay, it's not just like and even at the end they didn't have like a they didn't show like a Prithviraj's point of view was correct. Roshan Matthews' point of view was correct. They used to they said everybody's point of view. Like this girl had having a point of view. Yeah, at one point we didn't think that this girl will say this. Yeah, like you're talking about your religion, guy. Then what about my religion, guy? Yeah, so like that's the thing I really loved about this film. Yeah, yeah, it's because of the beautiful, it's fantastic writing. Yeah,
yeah. When I was in 11th standard, I read
yeah,
this story in my course book, in my English
okay,
course book. It had a chapter. It was a chapter about raw art. It's a
okay,
so raw art is actually artists who are not trained in their art.
okay, yeah, yeah, yeah,
So it was saying approaches to art. Okay, so that chapter was whole about telling us how you can approach the art. So there was a small anecdote there about Chinese painting. So they said when a Chinese painter paints his painting, then it's not his painting anymore, it's the viewer's painting.
oh,
So a
okay,
viewer may go and watch a bird in it, he may watch a phoenix in it, and
yeah,
I can go and I can watch, I can say, oh, he hasn't painted a phoenix, he has painted a dragon.
yeah,
Some another guy can go and go, no, there is no dragon, there is no phoenix, there is a mouse there.
yeah, yeah,
So this open-ended approach, when it is open to interpretations,
yeah,
that's the thing. If now the film hangs at that bridge,
yeah,
now the film also hangs with those two characters, Vishnu and Rasul, on
yeah,
the bridge, and it
yeah,
ends. You don't
yeah,
know who killed whom.
yeah, yeah,
So so one can say, oh, but,
yeah, Russell
why would a Muslim kill a Hindu, and
yeah,
why
why
would,
would a Hindu
and
kill the Muslim?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, why would he kill him, why would he kill him? So it hangs in balance. You can have your opinion,
yeah,
Many films
but
have
you know that there is one guy who
yeah,
is
definitely going to
limping,
kill. Yeah,
and yeah, he is there for his survivor, he will do
yeah,
anything.
hmm,
So
yeah,
you can't know anything, so that is a great thing. Now that's what art is. It evokes an idea in you,
yeah, right.
yeah,
so it
and
solves its purpose.
yeah, yeah,
You will find like many good films have same type of climax. Like they
yeah.
just uh, they won't reveal anything. They will just leave it as it is. Have you seen Neeraj Pandey's A Wednesday?
Yep,
Neeraj
A
yep.
Pandey's
Wednesday.
sorry,
Neeraj Pandey's
A
A
Wednesday.
Wednesday. A
sorry,
Wednesday.
like
A
like a
Wednesday.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I was like there's
Yeah.
a
So
That
Anupam
in
Kher.
the
that
Yeah,
also has a
yeah.
remake. That
yeah,
also
yeah,
has a Kamal Hassan remake.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Like it was even in
So in
Tamil and
the
Telugu bilingual. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
In the end of that film, when this Anupam Kher meets Nasiruddin Shah, and Anupam
Yeah.
Kher asks him his name. What is the name of Nasiruddin Shah? Then when he asks the name, they ends the movie. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's
He asks same name and the screen freezes.
yeah, it
And the
is.
screen freezes, and in narration, Anupam
Yeah.
Kher says that I won't tell his name. If I tell name, people will
Judge him.
then
Yeah.
aligned it with some religion.
Yeah.
So
Even
I
in
won't take his name.
this Mandela, have you seen
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
thing? Even in
I
Mandela
haven't
had
seen
same
Mandela.
thing. Yes, Mandela is about
Oh,
kind of social issue only. It is based on this what politicians do and
Politicians and
how
caste issues also. Like,
caste
yeah.
issues are there. Yeah.
Like,
So in the end, I won't reveal anything, but the climax is very similar. In the end, they won't reveal anything, and they will just end the film.
yeah.
exactly. Yeah, if
I
you should have to watch the films so that you'll get to know that a value of a vote, a single vote. No, what's the value of a single vote? You know.
hmm.
And in Kuruthi,
Yeah.
that another like what's the title? What was the no, those line comes with title
Yeah.
about oath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's very
That
important.
vow
To
to kill
Yeah,
death.
and oath
yeah.
to protect.
Oath to
Yeah.
protect. So if you
Yeah.
keep that
Yeah.
thing in mind, no, while watching film, you can
Yeah.
relate it very well. So
Yeah. We should
Yes.
have to take a
And
stand. Okay, we should have to take a stand. I'm going to be in the Roshan Matthews stand, like, because you love these characters. Because I love Prithviraj. Okay, I'm a huge fan of him, but I cannot take his stand. Like, I in this film, I'm going to take Roshan Matthews stand, because like from the very start of the film, you usually think that this guy is a good guy. Okay. So you will easily root for that guy. So in this film, I rooted for some good things to happen, but at the end, like, oh, do anything, man. I'm going to watch it for, yeah,
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 that's the thing. And the thing that they have done, that first you see there is a house in which there is a Muslim household, two Hindus barge in.
yeah.
Then
yeah,
a Hindu neighbor comes in,
yeah,
and then Muslim people come in. And first there is people in the house, and against the people outside of the house.
yeah,
So, and after that, we have a bifurcation in between the people in the house.
yeah,
When he says that, oh, we have bullets, we have
Yeah.
two bullets, why we care about these people? So Vishnu says it, and Rasul say, we? Who
Yeah.
we? Are you calling us
Yeah,
we?
yeah.
So
yeah,
after that, the game changes, how that revelation came.
Hmm.
I won't spoil it, although it's a podcast, we can, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
we have the liberty, but I won't do it.
okay,
Yeah, because it's a pretty simple film. If you ruin
Yeah, like,
this thing
it's
as well,
more
there
than
will be
like
nothing.
it's not about the story. It's about the screenplay. You should have to watch it for the
Yes,
screenplay.
yes.
Yeah,
Small
Yeah.
things. Yeah, that action scene that they have choreographed
yeah. The action
between the
choreography was really
inspector.
amazing. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
For a small film, now this
yeah,
is a film where you have a cramped budget.
yeah,
You are
yeah.
you have very little actors. You have very
Prithviraj is
little
not a
things
little
to do
actor.
with.
Like, Prithviraj is not
Huh?
a little actor. He's a superstar.
Nay,
Like,
I
yeah,
mean to say few actors,
yeah,
not
yeah,
little actors, but few
yeah,
actors.
yeah.
Not small in stature,
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah,
actors were really few actors there.
yeah.
So so that was my thing. But I just want to say that this film will hit hard to an audience, and it can have an effect. It can have a similar effect like a Parasite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has that
Agree.
thing in it, and it has a really Korean cinema approach.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Like in Korean cinema, they say the point after getting you emotionally drained. They
Yeah.
emotionally drain you out. If you have really hydrated tear glands, they will first warn them off, and then they will say the climax.
Yeah.
So now you are out of your emotions. Now the message will straight hit your heart. So this was along the lines of that. this screenplay was along the lines of that film.
Yeah.
This film had that
Hmm.
kind of screenplay.
Yeah.
So one more
And,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Go for it. No, no, no. I don't have anything. You just go for it. Yeah.
Another thing, as Andy said, like they in genre of film, like they were like very clearly sticking with that genre particularly.
Yeah.
So I think like as said, like Subbu said, he didn't like Cold Case. Even I didn't like, especially the second part, just
Yeah,
because
because
I
the first thing I disappointed with this with that film is Prithviraj is more like an extended cameo than lead character in the film. I was like because I don't watch some I don't watch interviews before watching the film. I always watch the film and then I watch I listen to songs and then only I watch the interviews and all. But for this film, I watched the interview first and I was like, I had a lot of expectation, but when I watched the film, I was like, what the hell is it? Like, what the hell? Like, I'm completely disappointed. But yeah,
because they have mixed two different genres in it, like
yeah,
crime and horror. If they
yeah,
wouldn't have mixed it, then that film would have been great. But they mixed it,
yeah,
and just because that mixture of horror and crime didn't work well, and at one particular point of time, I forgot that the I'm not giving any that the murderer of that what,
yeah.
what can I say that lawyer,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
lawyer, yeah, the particular
Like
person who is
the
taking the
first,
revenge from lawyer is a ghost.
yeah,
I at one particular, so that mixture didn't work, hence that film went up very
yeah,
badly, but it was good
Yeah,
film.
these
It wasn't great, but it was good.
yeah.
yeah,
Okay,
it's really difficult to pull this off.
Hmm.
That the ghost thing you said.
yeah,
The last time I have saw that work, that is in Sixth Sense.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
and when
and
you're yeah, go ahead, and I did complete your
I
thing.
don't have I don't have any example of it, but
Hmm.
that film is only Sixth Sense had done it. But if you do it, you have to mix two genres. You need more time, more screen time. These
Hmm.
things can smoothly happen in an series, but
Hmm.
yeah.
in a film, it is quite difficult.
Yeah,
Yeah, and one more thing is like in India, like all the films have this linear narrative. They at least come up with some flashback and all. But here they didn't go for any flashbacks and all. They just say like my wife died, my daughter died. They didn't go for any emotional flashbacks, so that like the backstories and all. They didn't go for anything. They just
It was there, but it was really
like
short.
yeah, like it's
yeah, very short, right.
yeah, yeah,
It was just significant.
yeah.
The in Hindi we say swad anusar,
Yeah.
Yeah.
according to
Okay.
taste.
Oh, okay.
So it was just in a really balanced way,
Yeah. And also,
and the scene.
yeah.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
yeah, and I would especially talk about that when he's wandering in that havoc where the accident has happened,
Yeah.
where he has lost his wife and his daughter.
Order. Yeah.
The employment of Steadicam, how they have used Steadicam was that that was really good. That
Yeah.
added emotions to that scene. So
Yeah.
it was a really good thing.
Yeah. Like they didn't go for some like they didn't force it. Okay, it is fits perfectly for this film. It's not something like it is a forcing one. Okay, because in a lot of films they have forced some flashbacks and all. Yeah. Even in even the recent Tamil film named Entrikan, the backstory for the villain is not like you didn't do like it's not even look like a back like a proper how it's not so good. Okay, it's something like a they have to show some flashback, they have to show something why this guy is doing this, so we have to do something. Yeah, that is for some sake of it, but here it's not for that. And also okay, I just forget what I thought. Okay, yeah, you guys go ahead and then I'll come to that. Yeah.
Yeah, so this film had really good things and really all of that. I must say that I remembered one thing just now, that I was really felt like it like uh, there was a smile on my face when I saw Musa Kadir watching Rajnikant film. That was a
Yeah,
remake of Dawn. So I was like,
yeah,
oh. So it was really a good moment for me, because only Hindi movies get this tag that you copy from the South movies.
yeah. Because in
But
1970s, 80s, and all, in
vice versa.
1970s and all, in 1970s, 80s, and all, they have done like lot of both Kamal and Rajni have done a lot of remakes. Yeah,
Remix.
yeah.
yeah.
Yes, sometimes like
These
yes, like there is this film named Basha. Okay, and like the original film was I hope you all must have watched it. Like Govinda, Rajinikanth, Amitabh
yeah,
Bachchan. Like
yeah.
but that is not a hit. If I'm not wrong, that is
Hum was
hit.
if it was not a hit, it is a really revered film.
Okay, yeah, but
If
but in the
I don't
film,
know about its monetary
yeah, like
performance, but
yeah,
it was it is a really revered film. It has really good songs. Yeah,
yeah,
people connect to that movie whenever
yeah,
the movie is on the television.
television,
The people are there.
yeah,
So no, Badshah had was inspired from
yeah. Like
Hum.
it was,
It wasn't Hum. In
yeah, like it
Badshah,
was
he's a,
adapted
auto
version.
driver.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So Badshah has its I will say it's a remake in Hindi as well. It's a Sunny Deol
Oh,
film. I
okay.
have
What's the
forgot the
film?
name.
Oh, okay.
It's a 2009 Sunny Deol film. Sunny Deol and the Priyanka Chopra.
Hmm.
I am not remembering the name of the film,
Okay. Yeah.
but it had a different ending though.
Yeah,
It
like,
had
but
a
I like now people are saying that like there were a lot of people saying that even like this trade and refuge this jamming pants,
TRP, Tried and
yeah,
Refused Production. Yeah,
jamming pants brainwash, brainwash, that channel named brainwash.
yeah. I have an anecdote with I have the kind of
Oh,
thing with the brainwash. I will tell
okay,
you
like
later.
I'm not like I'm not a fan of her, but like I'm saying that they
No,
all saying that they all saying that now Hindi was remaking a lot and all, but still here in at now they were Tamil was remaking a lot of Hindi films. Like Article 15 is going to remake Badai Go Andadun, and what else like there were lot of films is going to be remade in Tamil also. So I don't
Arey,
like
so
of calling, yeah,
yeah, that's what is happening now. Like people are just thinking like only Hindi filmmakers are remaking, but even the same thing is happening in South as well.
yeah.
Not in
I think
Malayalam
everybody all
cinema.
doing is
But in
not in
yeah,
Malayalam, yeah.
but
Yeah,
the
because
thing
you
is,
cannot fit you cannot fit that there because you can that stories like because like I tell you one thing, if a Malayalam film, a Malayalam comedy film or a romantic film or any feel good film, if that film remade in Tamil means it will work brilliantly. But if a mass film remade in Tamil, mass Malayalam film, if it remade in Tamil means it didn't work because the mass of a Malayalam
the
cinema is completely
sensibilities are
different.
different.
Yeah, the sensibilities are very different because the mass of a Malayalam cinema and the
Yeah,
mass of a Tamil cinema and Telugu cinema was completely different.
I just want to say that
Yeah,
I am just amazed about the buzz about Kurup, that
yeah,
it's an thriller,
yeah,
and it's looking like that it will be a well-made thriller, and there is a buzz about it. Even you make a film like that in Hindi cinema, it won't have that buzz. So
yeah,
I was like kind of shocked when I saw it has this much of buzz.
yeah, and also
Yeah.
but a mass film in Telugu or Hindi, if that film is remade in Tamil means it will work. But if a romantic film in these languages, if that remade in Tamil means it wouldn't work because Jab We Met remade in Tamil, like one of the worst remakes I've ever seen. Like what the hell is that?
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
bad.
Delhi Belly also
Yeah, Delhi Belly was sorry, that's the worst
remake.
remake. That's the worst remake.
that's what happening
Yeah,
in
because
our country.
Delhi Belly was a 18 plus film, and here they made a family film for that. They
Oh,
used
The only solution to this is
yeah,
people should habituate themselves with subtitles,
yeah,
English
uh,
subtitles or
yeah,
Hindi or anything, any
yeah,
particular. Because can
yeah.
you
But
now you have all watched Kuruthi, but will you watch the same film in your mother tongue, if it got remade, no one will watch.
See,
Yeah.
see,
We
I
are
just want to say one thing that I felt personally
Hmm.
that it's a personal thing with me. So
Yeah.
I won't say about a lot of people,
Yeah.
but I started watching trance, and into 20-25 minutes, I gave up.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And it was not the film.
Yeah. 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 I understand.
Okay? It was not the film. It
Yeah.
was the Malayalam. And no offense to
Yeah.
anybody,
I
but to
agree with that. I
me,
agree with that point.
I am there will be flaw must be lying in me. But
Hmm.
for me, I was like, when I saw a Malayali film, even with Kuruthi, I watched it. I had the first half an hour, I had to force myself. It wasn't the film. I had to force myself because I
Yeah.
cannot connect with the film
Yeah,
because
I
my
agree with you. I
inability
agree
to,
with you.
yeah,
Because
because
I watched
Malayalam,
I watched this Italian film. Like one of my friends told me to watch it, but that was 3 years ago or something. I was like, oh, I didn't even understand what the hell he was saying.
Which one?
Yeah,
What's the name of the film?
like I didn't know the name of the film. I
it
should
was a
ask.
war film, World War film.
No, not a World
Plot.
War film.
Can you
It's
tell us about the plot?
like yeah, it's something about this. Yeah, it's more of a commercial, I guess. Like it's about like a guy. Okay, it's about a love story, but in a little different way. Okay, it's not some sort of a Indian love story. It's how can I say? Yeah, like the love story and the problems. It's something like that. And there were this like how can I say? And this guy used to have a relationship
The
with
relationship.
yeah, with the girl's mother also.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I really don't know whether it's a
Good. Like
popular film or but yeah, yeah. But I couldn't like even I couldn't force me to watch the film. I was like I'm just like this and I'm watching the film. I,
See,
it,
with a Malayali film, what I have a problem with, I am okay with Telugu. I am with subtitles. I am okay with Tamil with subtitles. But with Malayalam, it's like bunch of rappers ciphering for me. So
yeah,
in a foreign language, I am not what I watch. I see the subtitles, or I watch their expressions. What I do. So that is the thing with me. And yeah, you say that we as an audience need to evolve and habituate, but that is not going to happen.
okay, yeah, yeah,
Our leisure time, so it needs practice, so that will take a lot of time. And but remakes are going to be thing. They will be a thing for a longest time, because we want the same story to be told in our setting, the setting that we are familiar to.
Hmm.
So that familiarization factor is being demanded by the audience, by the consumer itself. So it will be provided.
Mhm.
It is going to be provided. It's not going to go or end. And yeah, we can habituate ourselves, but a lot of people won't make that effort.
yeah.
Correct,
Like
but
yeah,
you
yeah. So
know,
sorry, go ahead. Yeah,
here I was talking about just about the storytelling. Like if you are in one country, if you're telling the same story in another language, then I
Yeah.
just have a problem with that. Not with, like the like if you have the like recent film that Akshay Kumar's film was a remake of this Kanchana,
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. Yeah.
Lakshmi, yeah. Oh
So
my
I didn't
God.
watch that, but I heard that it was like
Yeah,
very
I have
horrible.
watched it. I have watched the film.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
I
very
didn't
bad.
watch it. Reviews were very bad, so I didn't watch it. But that was very horrible. Now the most of the people had watched this Kanchana film in Hindi dubbed version, and most
Oh,
of the people like they even their opinion, they said like they liked original movie than a remake. And same thing happened with like I had watched Arjun
yeah,
Reddy.
because the problem is that original got released in 2011. Okay, 2011 was like some like it was a every commercial film will hit a lot. Okay, they will collect a lot. Okay, they will run for 100 days and all. But at 2020, you cannot bring that thing. That is what I
And
think.
the thing is, like
Yeah.
what Andy said is like I'm kind of I'm not saying like Andy is wrong or something, but I'm to kind of disagree with him, because if you will see the response, like people are from, especially from North India, they are giving to dubbed South Indian films. Now here the problem is that the culture is same, almost same. Only the they
language,
mix up with
yeah. That familiarity angle is there, no? When you
what?
see the dubbed, when you dubbed it into the native language of the dubbed version in their own native language. So, and so there won't be so the references also become be South Indian reference.
Quality of that film.
We are privy to the dubbed. Watching that film, there was a Shivaji the Boss
Yeah.
made on a
Yeah.
100 crore budget, and at that time when you made a film on that that massive that huge budget, you will, he said, in Hindi speak print only, with the Tamil language only into,
Yeah.
and the response
Hey guys.
and in the Tamil in Hindi speaking areas were really good. In 2009, after 2 years, this film got
Released.
dubbed and
Yeah.
broadcasted on television. And after that, it was a rage. Everyone wants their film to be dubbed and want to be broadcasted on TV or we in the North India. The YouTube channels, the I would like to mention Goldmine channel. The look at the subscribers, look at the views their videos get.
Yeah,
People
I
just
watch it. I watch it in YouTube. Sometimes I used to watch some films in YouTube. If I didn't get the films in Netflix or in Amazon or in Hotstar, I'll definitely go for it. Yeah, because
they North Indian fan base. What those films? I have seen people who are in for crazy films, but if you ask them to watch a Sarpata Parambarai in Tamil only on Amazon Prime, they will be like, "Oh, we are watching a film now. We also have to read the subtitles. I am not doing that much of work."
That's not the thing over here. The problem is that people doesn't know. Like, have you ever heard that speech of what's the name of this Parasite actor?
yeah,
Park Chan Wook.
Yeah, I don't remember his name. So his speech
Even I am not sure that I'm right.
okay.
Yeah. So his speech.
Like, who are you talking about?
If the
Like, who are you talking about?
they will get exposed to more and more
Yeah, like
different
you're talking
type
about
of
like this,
content.
Yep.
the director of Parasite.
So the
Yeah,
Parasite,
Park Chan Wook.
yeah. And the thing is, like,
Yeah.
first of all, I didn't get Andy. Like, when he said like he wouldn't able to watch that Malak be able to watch that because of culture. So, Okay, okay.
I am in for I am in for any culture if I can watch an American film.
Yeah. Oh,
why
yeah.
why yeah, why if I watch a Narcos, I watch a story of a Colombian problem to watch it. I don't have a problem. I have no problem with watching a Spanish film in Spanish only.
Hmm.
I can watch it, but in the in some languages this is a with Malayali I come through that problem. Many people won't come
Yeah,
with that problem.
even so close to Kerala, I know Malayalam a bit, okay, and and I understand Malayalam, but the problem is there is this film named the Thanir Matan Nilangal, okay, and that film even I cannot understand the the it was very rooted, okay, rooted in the sense, like the dialects was very in the village style, okay, so I cannot understand what they were saying. I used to read the subtitles for that film. Yeah, so it happens always. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can happen
Yeah,
that if we watch a Punjabi, a raw Punjabi accent and language in a film, you might not get it. So it might happen. This happens, but there is also a way of doing it. Like I will recommend you a film called Milestone
Yeah.
on Netflix. It is made
yeah,
by Ivan Ayer. Ivan Ayer has previously made a film called Sony, if you have watched it. So he made a film called
Hmm.
Milestone. In Hindi, its name was Meel Patthar. So in
Hmm.
that film, you come across characters who are Punjabi. You know they are Punjabi,
Hmm.
but the language of the film is not Punjabi.
Hmm.
It's Hindi.
Hmm.
But you know that this story is in Punjab because they here and there they put a word of Punjabi and their accent in which
Yeah.
they are talking. It's
yeah,
Punjabi. So
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
we'll conclude all these things in the next part. Yeah.